Alright, I'm going to walk you through number 5 as well. Again, I give you a nice little hint that y has to be alone. At first glance, you might be thinking, hey, this looks pretty good. However, you've got x all alone, not y. You're going to have to do a little bit of work here. Let's walk through it. Now, my goal is I need to get y alone, not x. How do I get y alone? Let's see. I can subtract 5 on each side. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to subtract 5 on each side. And then I get y is less than x minus 5. All right, so now I've got y all alone. Now I'm in pretty good shape to start graphing this. Now you notice that the graph I provided got cut off, so I kind of had to improvise a little bit. So I'm going to have to add a few more values here. -1, -2, -3. Whoa, did not want that. -5, okay. So now let's see, let's go to our inequality here. What is my y-intercept? Might be tempted to say 5, but notice that's -5. So that's -5. I'm going to graph -5 as my y-intercept down here. Alright, now my next step, I have to use the slope. Wait a second, there's no slope. There's nothing in front of x. However, if you don't have a coefficient, you can always place a 1. And we can always make a whole number, a fraction, by putting a 1 underneath it. So we have a pretty nice slope here. It's just 1 over 1. Okay, so that means go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Again, this would look better if I did provide a better graph. I apologize for that. These things happen sometimes. All right, so we get something like this. Now, is it underlined? It isn't. So that means we're going to be going with the dashed lines again. So I'm going to go just some dashed lines. Just like so. Excellent. And let's see. We're told that y is less. Y is less in this case, okay? So I'm looking for all the y values beneath my line. The y values beneath my line can be found down here. Because I'm going to shade everything on this side of my line. We can also use... Oh, my coloring is off. I gotta get better at this. We can also use the test point option. This is how the test point option can come in handy. I'm going to use my origin, 0, 0. Nice and easy. Which means y equals 0 as well as x. So I can plug in those values and let's see what happens. All right, 0, and then plug in 0 for x, and then 5. All right, 0 minus 5 gives me -5. Let's take a look at my statement here. Is 0 less than -5? No, it's not. That doesn't work. So what does that tell me? It means whatever side that origin is on here, whatever, everything on this side of the line will not work for my inequality here. So you'll notice that I did not shade in my origin or anything on that side of the line. That's how you can use your test point to figure out which side of the line to shade in. If the point you use works, shade in that area. If it doesn't work, then shade in the other area. So I wanted to walk you through number 5 a bit here, again, because it looks pretty simple at first glance, but the fact is you got x alone, so you need to get y alone here. Hopefully this helps you.